What's up, everybody? I don't know if you saw on my Instagram, and if you don't follow me there, you can. It's the same name, dynamic.velocity, and I have revealed that I got a new project coming, and although I'm not getting it today, I'm going to show you what I got. So let's go outside. It might be a little bit windy, so if I have microphone issues, that's why, but let's go check it out now. Now, before I show you, I had a lot of different guesses on what it would be, whether it was like a JDM car, an American car, or whatever. But to show you right now, this is what it is. I got myself a little Mazda truck right here. So pretty cool looking. I won't tell you how much I got it for, but it was a pretty good deal. Take a look at the bed right here. Got a little bit of rust back there, maybe. Let me see, maybe a little bit of pitting. So maybe some spot welding and everything like that. I have no idea what's underneath the leaves, so that should be pretty cool. And I think this latch is broken because it's not going down, so something else we'll have to look at there. The bumper is missing, so I'll either have to run it without a bumper or find a new one. Let's keep looking. All this body work, I feel like it's superficial. You know, some new paint, you know, treat it, some sanding, and it'll be good to go. So single cab, you know, like I said, some body work right there, some of those dents, knock out some of those dents. You got a big one right here, pretty good sized dent right there. You can kind of see the inside, so I think we can bang that on out. And then we have the whole front end missing, but I was told by the owner that he has a lot of that, like the lights and the bracket and stuff like that. Take a look at the inside right quick. So missing the console, the right there. Interior right here needs some work, but that's easy fix right there. These wires don't go to this vehicle, so that's just a bunch of junk wires, so don't worry about that. No seats, so as you can tell, there's no seats in here. So I'm going to try to find something like that. But cassette, oh, there's a wasp. I don't do wasp, so I'm gonna figure out why that's in there. Okay, close that up. Passenger side, the body looks pretty clean. Missing a mirror right here, so probably have to go find one. Missing a wiper over here, so I'll have to find another one of that. Some of the trimming on top is missing, so I don't know if this has leaks or not. Something we're going to find out a little bit later. The paint on here, yeah, needs some work. Come back to the front end. It does have a dent right here, so we'll have to end up pulling that out and try to straighten that out, maybe with some heat or something like that. I mean, other than that, it's not too bad. I can't get the hood open right now because the drawstring inside is messed up. We've got some janky wiring right here. I don't know what this is about, but it's all the way around here and it goes into the harness. So we'll have to trace that out. It's gonna be a lot of fun, but like I said, can't open that up yet. So I'm going to try to figure out how to open it from this mechanism. All right, so I was able to get the hood open. Had to detach it. Missing the master cylinder, the brake cylinder. So I gotta find one of those so I can reattach everything. Carbureted, so that's fun. It comes with a free little nest there, so that's gonna be fun to remove.
This is not okay. This needs to stop now.
Lots of little leaks, so it looks like it's going to need a valve cover change. Over here, looks like the exhaust manifold looks okay. Probably have to get a new wires, distributor, everything like that, see where that oil's coming from, because there's a lot of oil coming from over there. So it's gonna be a lot of fun trying to find all those little cool little problems. Now I know when you get a Weber carburetor, that will eliminate a lot of these little lines right here. So I'm gonna go that route. I mean, look at this. Something's missing there. So, wonder if it's right here, this yellow line. Who knows? I don't know. We gotta go wire fishing. We gotta see what's all missing. We gotta diagnose this thing, get new products. Hoses missing here. I don't know. There's the cable for inside, so we'll end up having to fix that as well. So a lot of cool little things to work on this car. It's gonna be a fun little project. It's gonna be a long project. I've never done anything this extensive before. So this is a Mazda B2000. So I'm gonna have to be looking up sourcing parts for this. I don't know what kind. I have to get the VIN, that way I can see what exactly the engine is inside. I can look up carburetor and, you know, look at the transmission for a refresh. Tires, so want new tires on this thing. Need bigger rims, you know, all the good fun stuff. Probably weld this, because, you know, as nowadays we don't even use the radio anymore. I do like that it does have the original cassette radio in there, but I don't think we'll be using that very much. Be looking out for a new mirror. Probably get an OG set like on the other side. So I don't think that'll be too hard to find, especially with eBay. Try to find the molding on here or create some, and then probably get a new one of these as well to block out the rain when it comes down. You know, small stuff here and there. It's not too bad of a vehicle. Hopefully it starts and runs good, but that's all with time can tell. I just kind of wanted to give y'all a quick glimpse of the new project. Now, I'm not big when it comes to the trucks. I've never been like a truck guy. My wife, she drives the Tacoma, even though that was my car at first, but not big on trucks. So this is going to be a whole new experience for me, taking it all apart, painting, which I've never done, body work, which I'm not very good at. So this is a perfect vehicle to practice all those skills on and everything. But if you haven't yet, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. More things are coming with this, with the Supra and the Skyline. It's going to be a cool year. 2026, we're off to a start. Happy Lunar Chinese Year for those who do that kind of stuff. And we'll see you on the next one. Oh, and there's a wasp. I don't do wasp, so I'm going to figure out why that's in there.
Gay!